Increasing your Instagram followers can be a challenging task, but here are some tips to help you. 1. Post high-quality content. Make sure to post high-quality photos and videos that are visually appealing to your audience. 2. Use hashtags. Using relevant hashtags can help your content get discovered by users who are interested in the same topics as you. 3. Engage with your audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, liking their posts, and following them back. 4. Collaborate with other accounts. Collaborate with other Instagram accounts in your niche to reach a wider audience. 5. Post consistently. Post regularly to keep your followers engaged and interested in your content. 6. Use Instagram Stories. Use Instagram Stories to show behind-the-scenes footage, post exclusive content, and engage with your followers. 7. Run contests and giveaways. Run contests and giveaways to encourage your followers to engage with your content and share it with their followers. 8. Promote your Instagram account. Promote your Instagram account on other social media platforms, your website, and in your email signature. Remember, growing your Instagram following takes time and effort, so be patient and consistent with your efforts.